it's 11:11. Okay. Can we just clap for ourselves? Is the mic? Okay. I'd rather use the mic because I don't want to stand behind the podium. So clapping, I was told, clapping releases angels. Clapping is a way to get their attention. Clapping is a way to create energy in the room, create the energy that you want. So let's try this one more time. Let's all just clap and be proud of ourselves. Be proud that we're here today. Be proud that we're going to become future lawyers. Be proud that we have these $1 million scholarships coming in. Just be proud. Be proud for Evangeline. Thank you so much for having me. I have like 5 minutes, so I promise I'm gonna do my absolute best. So I recently, as of last night, watched this documentary, and there was this one line that just sent me like into the corner. And this great person said, when cops kill people, let me say that again. When cops kill people, it's terrible. But judges kill people on paper 1,000 times a day. I'm gonna say that one more time in case someone didn't hear me, for the people in the back. When cops kill people, it's terrible. But judges kill people on paper 1,000 times a day. Does anyone know who said that? Who? The Prophet Meek Mill. Okay. All right. I just want everyone to just close your eyes for a second. Think about if every black family in America, imagine if every black family in America had a lawyer. Your eyes ain't closed. Think. How could that change the lives of people like Meek Mill? How could that change your life? How could that change your cousin's life who's locked up for something he didn't do? All because there was no lawyer he knew personally that he could just call on. How would having a black lawyer in every family, not the bougie one that forget where they come from, right? But a lawyer in every family in America, how would that change our criminal justice system? It would be monumental. They don't want us to all be lawyers, but guess what? We gonna all be black lawyers, right? Right? So essentially, that's what I do every single day. I'm attorney Jasmin Robinson. Most people call me attorney Jas. I'm your sis, I'm your cousin, I'm whoever you need me to be. If they talking about they got lawyers in their family, you say, well, I got a lawyer in my family too. Here I am. And I am your law school coach. I coach you guys through the entire law school admissions process. And my whole goal is to get y'all admitted, anybody know, with scholarships. So that's what I do. But I had a whole different idea for today. But then I watched the Free Meek documentary last night, and it just blew my mind. First and foremost, has anyone seen the documentary? Okay, it's on Amazon Prime. Essentially, I feel like the black legal community owes Meek an apology. I do. I really do. Because, you hear about this judge who did all these things to him, and everyone's first thought is, she white, won't she? Or he was white, won't she? Right? Nah, she was one of us. The judge. She was one of us. And that just, one side of me want to shoot the one with her, but then the other side of me is just like, sis, what happened? Where were you left behind? How was your law school experience? To me, I see her and I saw the malicious thing she was doing to Meek, and it's like, what happened to you? What happened? Something happened to her in law school. Something happened. She may have been the only person in her class that was black. Something happened to her. So while I'm so mad at her, I feel compassion for her because I know those days are gone. If she would have had the support that I had in the Black Law Students Association at Mercer, where I went for law school, if she had summits and conferences and things like you guys have, I just wonder if that would have just changed the trajectory of her life. And if I ever meet Meek Mill, I'm gonna just tell him I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There was another quote in there that said, it's better to be rich and guilty than it is to be poor and innocent. Why? Why? Because this legal profession is 88% white male. So when I tell y'all to clap for yourselves, when I say we need y'all, we need y'all. Only 5% of lawyers are black. 5 in the whole United States. Don't let Atlanta jade you. Atlanta is amazing. I love it here. But nationally speaking, only 5% of lawyers are black. That is the problem that I'm here to solve. So my advice to you, or my last thought regarding Meek's judge is, I imagine there was a reason why she wanted to go to law school in the beginning. And I just think through the years she lost sight of that. And sis could have had the highest LSAT score out here. But when you start practicing and making real life decisions, when you are affecting people's lives on a daily basis, none of that matters anymore. She could have had a 180, but she's still locking people up that don't need to be in jail. So that's something I want you guys to think about. Can y'all close your eyes for me one more time? If you were Meek's lawyer, just think about what you could have done. And I'm not talking about Meek Mill, I'm talking about Robert Williams. I think that's, yeah. When he was 19 years old, coming out of his house to go to the store, he gets beat up for no reason, locked in jail. Now he's on probation for 10, 12 years, in and out of jail for petty violations. You can be his lawyer. Not necessarily his lawyer, but there are so many other Meek Mills out here. They need y'all. They really, really need y'all. And I just, what could you have done if you were his lawyer? If you were the family lawyer? If you were the people that your family called on when someone gets arrested? That's your personal statement. In case you're wondering, that's your personal statement. That's what you're going to share. That's how you're going to get their attention. So with that said, again, I am attorney Jasmin Robinson. I am your law school coach. I'm here to help you guys every step of the way. I do a lot of things. I create workbooks. I have courses. But my whole goal is to get everyone in this room into a courtroom and they aren't the defendant. That is my goal. And In the past 2 years, or close to 2 years, we've done over 1.5 million in law school scholarships. So there's no excuses. You guys don't have to be in debt like me and probably some of my friends over here. So with that said, you guys, this is important. Continue soaking up everything here. You can find me later at the Mercer Law table. I'll be around. With that said, I'm going to turn it over.